Hello guys, what's up? I'm just giving an update on what's going on with my bike. As you can see guys, I haven't been posting any videos recently on me riding my bike because it broke down on me. I'm getting the error 30 code, and this is a BBS 02 new what they call this again? Controller. I purchased the new controller on eBay, right? And I'm going to tell you the symptoms of what I was having. When I had this one on the bike, I was getting the error 30 code, right? And I wasn't getting no throttle, and I wasn't getting no pedal assist. I usually get those two working together. You know what I mean? If I want to switch up to pedal assist or the throttle. Right here, the throttle. Right, so with this controller, the battery sign on the computer was flashing, right? And I was like, what the hell is going on? And first, when I was riding, right, the 30 error 30 came up right here, right? And I was like, yo, what the hell is going on? And I had to like walk it to where I was going and just put it in our storage unit. And I recently went and got it out of storage, and I have it here now. And I put in a new controller, which I bought on Amazon. And let me tell you about this controller. You know how the controller comes with like 3 leads? It's like one goes to the battery, the other one goes to the goes up your main tube to your computer. I mean, no, it comes out of the motor, right? And it's you have to piecing it right here to the battery. This one right here, I piece into the battery. You see, it's wrapped right here. And this other one right here, it goes up to this cable right here. It goes up, right? So I'm not getting any throttle on this bike. Let me tell you, when I turn it on, look, I'm a power it on. So you can see it's on right there. Right, and I'm gonna go to level assist 9. Right, see, I'm getting good battery right there, right? And look, when I turn the throttle, I'm getting no throttle, right? But look, when I turn the back wheel, look at the back wheel. When I turn it, right, you see the light is on for the signal to the computer. Yeah, that's on, right? And also when the wheel is turning, it's picking up the signal, and look, it's showing on my dash. Look, that's when the wheel is turning, but the computer is not coming on because I have no throttle, like I said, and no pedal assist. Look, I don't know if the pedal assist might be there because I haven't ridden it, you know what I mean, to see, but it's supposed to kick in, right? And I don't feel nothing kicking in right here. I don't hear the motor or anything. Well, look, the numbers are going on. It's only when you turn the wheel is picking up that signal right there. And it's transmitting it into miles or whatever, kilometers, whatever you set the thing to. So this is a nice bike, you know, but I just need to get my bike fixed. And I ordered a new wiring harness. This lead right here that I told you about. This one. Not the one from the controller. I'm talking about the one that connects to the controller. This one. It's the main wire that goes up and branches off to the brakes and the throttle control and the computer. So guys, that's my problem, man. If anybody have any ideas of what could be going on with my bike, could you write it in the comments? Because I've eliminated the wiring harness because I ordered that on eBay. I'm waiting for that to come. But this is, like I said, this is a new controller that I bought. Right, and the new controller has like new features. It has like this lead right here that you could hook that the sensor to, and it has another wire down here. If you could see these two wires right here, you could it's for lights. Like if you want to add light to your bike and run a wire from this, which I might do that. But other than that, guys, the bike is not working. Look, see, the light is on, and my dashboard is good and all that. I don't know if I have to change the computer too. I don't know. I gotta just look into it. I'm just trying to eliminate stuff right now. So if anybody has any ideas, could you write it in the comments, please? Thank you, and have a nice day. Thanks.